Hi everyone, I've got a Ford Mondeo here on a 16 plate which goes up to 17, 18 I think on this model here. I've just done the two rear tyres, put two brand new tyres on there, and I'm going to reset the tyre pressure light just to show you how it's done. But before I do that, as you can see here, these are the tyre sizes. On this one it's got a 16 inch which is here, and the tyres pressure on the front which is 2.4 35 psi or KPI 240. But on the rear you got 2.4 unless you've got a load which is 3.2. Other sizes are here as well. Now to reset it, it's quite simple. It's a keyless entry. Now to do it, show you how it's done. Switch the ignition on. So you can even start the car up if you. We just have to wait. Press OK, OK again. Now this menu here, right, that does all, that's a function there. So what you want to do, if you press right, sorry, yep, that's it, trip computer, go into driver assist, press OK. Now if you go down to tyre monitor, press OK again, press OK again. Now he's asking you hold the OK button to reset it. So that's the OK button. So if I hold it, as you can see, he's just doing it right now. Now tyre pressure is reset. That's all you got to do on your car as well. Any more information, please do let us know and we'll try and help you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.